Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about the press up. The muscles work to the pectoralis major, minor, anterior delts, triceps and core. For the setup, put your hands shoulder width apart. From that position, push up onto your toes, making sure you keep your back straight, engage your core and put your head forwards. Your starting position should look something like this. For the eccentric part of the movement, lower your body slowly and controlled. Bring your chest to the floor, keep your core engaged and take a deep inhale. For the concentric part of the movement, drive through the palm of your hands, keep your core engaged and perform a controlled exhale. Maintain good form and controlled breathing throughout your set. If you're struggling to do press ups on your toes, you can do this on your knees instead. The setup would be to cross your legs, adjust your hands shoulder width apart, keep your back straight and engage your core. From this position, maintain good form and controlled breathing. Repeat this 3 to 4 sets, 60 seconds rest and 3 to 4 times per week. Thanks for watching and comment down below what you want to see next.